Just got the green light to do a full wide open throttle at 2,500 RPMs to 4,000 RPMs in third gear. So we're gonna do that pretty soon, but we want to get this hooked up first before anything. 12 pounds of boost. Let's up the boost. A few more pounds. Let's do 19. You know, just cause. I'm able to get everything hooked up. That'd be nice. Oh, great, I just exited. Nice. Not what I wanted. My cord on this is being kind of iffy now. Still gotta upload the tune. Nah, it said psych, you ain't done. There we go. Let's get this started. Definitely going to be easing into it because I haven't been over like 50% throttle yet. It's funny though, the amount of heads that get turned because the supercharger that sticks out the hood, and most of them don't even know it's a V6 until I actually tell them. Like I was at the gas station and this pizza guy, he walks up and he just asked me how much power it's making. I told him I don't know yet exactly, and he just tells me, he asked me what's done to it, that kind of stuff. And I told him it's a 3.7 V6 with a Shelby blower on top. And the look he gave me was the most confused and in shock look that I've ever gotten already about for this kit. I know this kit's making pretty good power though, because my buddy that was in the car with me doing the data logging, he has a 2016 Ram 1500 with a 2.9 liter Whipple on it. I think it's making like 8 to 10 pounds of boost. He doesn't have a boost gauge hooked up currently on it, but only being at 50% throttle, he doesn't pull hard away from me. So just imagine what it'd be like at 100% throttle. So that's something I'm definitely looking forward to. Started, all right. Wide open throttle. Oh God, that thing pulls. Let's end that. How quick it just jumps in the RPMs is insane. So I just gave it full throttle for 3 seconds and it just jumps up to 6,000 immediately. I mean, let's ease into that this time. Oh, she's breaking up. Why are you breaking up like that? Hear that? No, she's breaking up. I don't know why. That thing is screaming. Oh my gosh. Like, I don't know why it's breaking up like that though. Like, let's see, I'll give it 70, like 70-80% throttle, will start breaking up. That's just in drive. It doesn't really do it in 1, 2, or 3, but once I put it in drive and just give it like a little gas, it starts to break up. I don't know why. Oh, what is... Oh. Oh. What is that? Oh, that was me. Oh, yep. There we go. That's it. Ah. She's cooked. She is cooked. She blew out. Yep. Well, that's it for that wheel. Had a blowout, boys. And I thought we're gonna have a... Oh, what the... What? Well, I don't think Fix-A-Flat's gonna fix that one. You think that'll work? I don't know. I'm trying. Let me give somebody a call. This is the main thing I hate about these. With these wheels, how they're so far in. What's going on?
That's a big looking car, bro.
What's up?
This car looks lousy.
Yeah, I blew the wheel up.
Hell yeah.
I was doing a data log for my tuner,
Yeah.
and then it just kind of gave out.
Oh shit.
Yep.
You got a spare?
What's up?
You got a spare with you or what?
Oh, I have somebody right now bringing a spare.
You all set then?
Yeah, I'm all good, man.
That V6 with the fucking Pro Charger in it.
No, ain't no Pro Charger.
Oh.
That's a Shelby blower
Hell yeah.
from a 07.
What are you pushing?
Don't know yet.
Oh.
Estimating 450 once it's done.
Okay.
Oh, it's running 12 pounds of boost right now,
Hell yeah.
but it's a V6. Yep.
I hear you jumping around posts all the time.
Really?
Yeah, I noticed the car and I was like, I'll pull over and see if it's good.
Yeah. Yep. I have somebody right now coming to bring a spare for me. We're gonna put this in the back. Yeah, I see that.
Just take it easy.
Yeah.
It isn't faded though.
It is. More than this is. You know, but she got the water pump leak too.
Oh.
So. Oh yeah, that thing is gone. No, I think the tire shop could fix it. She looks all right. What y'all think? Hopefully we get this back on the road soon. I'll get the new tires probably switched out tonight. They're a little worn tread, but hey, it'll get me to where I need to go. I like the truck. I like the truck. Oh, hell yeah. I wish you had those lights on it still. Oh, you do?
Yeah. And my fucking, you have any tape, dude? My inside lights keep coming up blood.
I might. I'm not sure though.
Oh, what happened to my front light? Oh, what the fuck? Damn.
Oh, that's a sad day.
Oh, I gotta buy more lights. Damn, that shit is hot as fuck.
Are they cheap?
Yeah.
That's a good thing. Yeah, so I was doing a data log, and I did a wide open throttle data log, and then right after that, it blew.
Are they new?
No, they're not new. They're at the end of its life anyway, but I think I hit something.
Wait, where'd you get it from?
Brody?
I used those tires before.
Yep.
Well, that's fucking great.
Oh hell yeah.
Anyway.
I don't know what style of rim they are. Oh hell yeah.
So you already got your shit on jacks, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. I was in I finished the data log at least for it. That's a good thing.
What the fuck is even this?
Yes.
What? Dude, I don't trust those jacks.
Yeah, I don't really either, but that's what I'm going with.
Dude,
right
I got
now.
a low profile. Come here. Fuck that shit.
All right, let's see. Let me see if it's high enough real quick. Can you hold that real quick? Oh. Where you at? Oh.
Okay.
Ooh, yes.
The donut.
Perfect
The
fitment.
Mustang donut.
Fitment. What do you mean?
Yeah, so these are pretty good.
Yeah.
They're like, I mean, Brody gave me those, like, I got slicks, and I was like expecting something that's on my car, and he...
Nah, street radials. Those ain't
There's
slicks.
no tire on there.
Yeah.
How much horsepower do you think it makes?
450 on 12 pounds of boost.
To the crank or wheels?
Wheel.
That's not bad.
This thing's rowdy though. My buddy
Do you
got.
have a set of wheels at home?
Oh, I'm about to go pick up my old pair from my buddy's house. So I'll be able to run this back to you pretty soon though.
Yeah.
If you let me hold on to it for like a day.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't need it.
Nah, you'll need it at some point in time.
Yeah, at some point.
Like me. Don't be like me.
Fucking. Yeah. Took out your interior. Wait.
Partially.
Oh, come on. You gotta take out the rest of too.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do that this weekend when I get to my garage.
It's like 2 bolts.
Yep. I'll do that when I get to my garage this weekend.
I had my shit like completely gutted at one time. My fucking GT.
Yep. How's the Shelby, by the way?
Shit, man. It's looking like an after Korea type thing. So it's not tuned properly.
It's getting there. It's really, really close.
It's thing might be a little low on air, dude. I mean, follow you back.
I live in JC anyway, so it's like,
Yeah, I'm trying to get through there.
it's not far at all.